From defense by Palatek. Roduna goes to Maninganay. Back to Roduna from the top. Sees an opening. Fadeaway jumper. Unable to connect. Rebound Mano. Maninganay recovers. Back to back mid. White bucket. So far playing second personal foul from downtown. In and out of the way. Goal between Palatek. Rosario. J. Jones. In the mid-air. Almost to basket but not quite. Rebound by number 11, passing the wrong man. Fernandez, no, 30 seconds to work with. Torres sees an opening. Torres from the line for a shot. Number 11, Roduna. Off to number 21, Famoso, from the top of the game. Kicks it up 29, 12 seconds to work with. Cross-court pass, Roduna. 10 seconds shot clock. Defense from behind. 5 seconds to shoot. Roduna, let it fly. Yes, sir! Marina, long roll. Long traffic. Hit the line of the Giant. Fernandez. Down on the floor is number 16. Marita. Velasco, dropping it off. To Roduna. For Roduna in the first. First one is in. The top by Famoso. The ball close to number 8. Rosario. Torres goes down now. Makalintang. Period. In on play. Dambalase still down by 18. From downtown. Fernandez. Let it fly. And it connect. Here comes out once again. Montag. Zigzagging in the middle. Let it. Takes the jumper. And goes quick to the hook. Roduna. Isolation play. 8 seconds on the shot clock. 5 seconds ago. Roduna. Maluntag. Meanwhile, from the top. Mahina. 18 seconds to work with. From the left wing. Diakis forces his way in. Mahina in and out of the basket. Rebound by Velasco. Here comes John. Victor Maluntag. He's got to take so this slows things down. 12 seconds on the shot clock. Roduna. Famoso. Maluntag. Lauto. No basket. Roduna. Hit the right time. Hit the right way. Shoot it. Extending the lead. 290. Being the so far of our team bucket. 6:21 and counting down. Mahinay. Looking for an open man from downtown. No shot for Mahina. Down the floor is number 13. We have the Genesis 13 bullets. Roduna. Off to Maluntag. 12 seconds to work straight. Kaminay. Taking his time. Through this ball game. De La Cruz. Makalintang takes the lead. In and out of the basket, rebound by Velasco. Goes to Jolan. So far playing second personal foul. Miranda and the Jim. Ready to check in once again. Number 9. 5. Basket count. 22-point lead. Taking so far 14 buckets. Dambalase still looking for the right combination to bounce back from downtown. Vargas, woo! Is it Vargas that they're looking for to catch up in this ball game? Let's find out. Wait and see. Meanwhile, number 73, off to Famoso. Natividad goes down low. Velasco was forced to take the shot. Unable to connect. Diakis. Fernandez fooling the man. Well, the Velasco, second try for Fernandez. Makita long to Fernandez. Ball number 25, Fernandez. Showing his bread and butter in this ball game. high percentage field shot for team Bakte. Pitch Sportswear, Dan Balate, 4:38 remaining here in the final period. 2-2 from the line, here comes Fulton Press once again in Bakte. Natividad down there. Cutting down the lead 6. Miranda. Fight Natividad, Jolan, Julia, nice defense by Cap de la Cruz. The ball goes to number. This player for Cap de la Cruz. Here comes Miranda. It's a real replay. Running shot. No basket. The top by number 1. Tomoso. Number 1 corner. 12 seconds remaining on the shot clock. 10 seconds for the straight win from behind. Here comes Miranda. Running up to the board. Run down. Nice shot by Patrick Miranda. Down to 16.8. Meanwhile, Malmar bring the ball downtown. Pakita para sa inside the 6 zone. 3.5 and counting. Dan Balate hoping to capitalize against the independent creation of Team Bucket. Number 25 goes on ICBM. Follow number 9, Jolan Natividad. Yeah. 1-4 graduate, Jolan Natividad. Penalty. We still a lot of time to pass shot. 20 seconds remaining. Penalty. Nice shot by Cap de la Cruz. Still hoping to capitalize from the penalty situation of Team Bucket. De la Cruz, 42 from the line. Full court press once again, carrying down to 8-40, 7 to shine is the score. Malunta. Seymour. Vargas. 12 seconds to work with. 8 seconds. Shot clock. 7 seconds remaining. Malunta plays it in. Rebound by Balate. Bakte, one error. Big counter by number 14, Kaninay. The ball goes to number 3. Cap de la Cruz, one error. Half for number 3, Dan Balate. Underneath the basket pass. Julia! Nice block by Malunta from behind. Kaninay. Is it here? In and out of the basket. Good ball. Stop it back. Cap de la Cruz. Layup. Malunta, easy basket. Timeout. Bakte, Dan Balate. Now by only 14 points. 16 rather. 2 minutes and 30 remaining. We're nearing the twilight zone. Kawalan, off to Sulamat, from downtown, yes sir! Sulamat, lead! Down by only 40, last 2 minutes! Here in the final period, number 17, qualified by Mahinay. Lead pass to Miranda. Goes inside, 15 million. Last touch, here Miranda. Ball still alive. Bakte. Time and coming down. Now with 20 points, Kabural. Off to Mahinay. Kabural, second three. Pass to the Roman. Here comes Kabural. From downtown, Torres. Almost basket, but not quite. Foul on number 73. Foul on number 73, Natividad, Jim. Third person foul, Jim Natividad. 1:30 to go, 75 seconds to the score. 2 free throws for Jonathan De Jos. First shot is good, coming down into 12. 1 minute and 30, still a long way to go. We're in the final period. Second shot on the way, comes back down to 11. Rebound by Miranda, passing to work. Here comes Miranda. That's loose. Use the ball. No shot. Easy basket for Miranda. 40-point lead once again. Cabral takes a three. No sir. Rebound number 14. Here comes Miranda once again. Bucket. Inside the safe zone. Off to Rodula, number 11. 10 seconds to work with. 8 seconds away from the shot clock. Beyond the arc, Karinai. 5 seconds to shoot. Public doesn't fly. Too strong. Rebound by number 23. Under the over court. Two free throws for number 26. Alan Torres. Inbounding is number 20, Jimmy Silva playing with personal foul. Lead pass number 14 is Silang break. First one is made, second shot on the way. 1-2 from the line, Valdo leading free throws for Team Democratic. Final free throws, 2 out of 3. Cutting down the lead defense, here comes Pakit Democratic, full court press once again. Pass break away, passing to the wrong man. Mahinay, going straight to the basket, they just drive. Cutting down the lead to 8, in that way. Mantan, Rodula, Yazar now inside the safe zone. Winning this ball game will face playmakers in the championship game next week. One more game left, Ignite versus Escaligas Primo. First personal foul on Katanjo. Sino nila? Rodula. Wake up Mantan. Bakit ang marami. 40 seconds to work with. Penalty. 2-point lead. Makes that 9 for Team Bucket. Second shot for Rodula. Singing for Team Bucket. Inbound play to Cabral. Here comes Balasek. Cross-court pass. De Jos goes underneath. Team Black and defense by Miranda. Pull-up jumper, Mahinay, bago po na ulit down. Mahinay once again, down by 6. Five seconds remaining, inbound play number 14 is bounding, down by 6. Goes to Torres. Down by 6, 7-9, 7-3 is the official score.
Yung bilis ng
First one is over by choice. 15 goals for Team Bakit Democratic. Down to 5. Inbound play. Rodula. Wants to hold up. Here comes Karinai. Bakit. Run away. Close Playmakers Barbells in the championship game next week. Congratulations, Team Bakit.